Atop an ancient volcano, like a crown, rises Palanok Castle, the unbreakable guardian of Zakarpattia. Its history, carved in stone, spans nearly 1,000 years, beginning in the 11th century, when the first fortifications appeared here. From a wooden fortress, it transformed into an impregnable citadel under Prince Fedir Koriatovych. In the 14th century, he erected new walls, towers, and carved the famous 85-meter well into the rock, which still holds its dark secrets to this day. These walls have seen everything: raids by the Cumans, the siege of Mongol hordes. But the castle went down in history thanks to the feat of one woman. In the 17th century, the legendary princess Ilona Zrini led the defense against the Austrian army for 3 years. The fortress fell only when its defenders ran out of supplies. With the fall of the rebellion, glory gave way to oblivion. For a century, the castle was transformed into one of the darkest political prisons of the Austrian Empire, its walls holding the stories of hundreds of inmates. But having survived all eras, Palanok was reborn. Today, it is a magnificent museum, with its 130 rooms and secret underground passages open to the world. It stands as an eternal symbol of resilience, inviting everyone to touch its 1,000-year history.